Welcome back to Good Day. So, Amanda, when you were gone last week, you left us a hack, but it didn't work.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. Maybe a better knife next time, you think?
You know, it was where I tried to make 2 bags out of one.
Yeah.
It would have been great, really handy, and save you a buck. But yeah, maybe if I had a different knife, if maybe I didn't, I think the timing with how long you heat the knife.
It could be the temperature of the knife, too.
I think it's all very precise. I didn't have the time or energy to get it just right.
I get it. But you have something maybe a little better for us this week.
Yeah, so this week I've got something tried and true. In fact, it's something that I've actually been doing for years, but I didn't really realize it was a hack until my parents were in town this week and they saw me doing it and they're like, hey, that's really cool. So I thought I would share it with everyone. I actually saw this one years ago on a cooking show on television, and I've been using it ever since, and it's for easily removing the pit from your avocado. Poppy, you don't like avocado. All right, so all you do, use a big knife, and then you just, go in half here, all the way around. Don't cut your hand, right? And then you twist, okay? Now, take your knife, jab it into your nut pit there, twist again, and voila, you have easily removed your pit. I use a paper towel to remove it from there, but there you go. You've got your avocado, and then you could spoon it out or cut it from there, however you want to go about it. But that is what I have found to be the easiest way to remove a pit from an avocado.
So nice, boop, boop, boop.
Yep. And then it's like it comes off cleanly, so you feel like you're not wasting any of the avocado.
Yeah, or trying to pick it out with a knife, which could be dangerous, or now you have to get a spoon to do it, and that's another dish. So thanks, Amanda.
Yeah,
that
you're
works.
welcome. Yeah, I like that one too.